Hello everyone and welcome back, and today I'm going to be doing a review on Lysol Power Foam Bathroom Cleaner. It's supposed to be 10-time cleaning action, and it promises to kill 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. So let's get right into the review. With Lysol Foam Bathroom Cleaner, it promises to destroy soap scum. It's very tough and merciless on mold and mildew. It actually doesn't remove it, but it prevents it from forming. They're also good at sanitizing and disinfecting pre-cleaned surfaces. Also, according to the product, it is good for cleaning your showers. It says your sink, your tub, also the toilet exterior. I really love this product. It has a very good smell to it. It doesn't smell like bleach, and overall it does a fantastic job in removing dirt, bacteria, viruses from all these types of surfaces. So the first thing before you use this product, you want to make sure that you shake it very well. You want to hold it 6 to 8 inches from the surface before you spray it. And also, if you want to clean soap scum from your shower, you want to spray it and you want to let it sit for 15 to 20 seconds, and then you're going to go ahead and wipe it away. And if you want to sanitize a pre-cleaned surface, you want to go ahead and spray the whole surface, and then you're going to go ahead and let it sit for about 30 seconds so that the powerful foam can penetrate to any thing that it needs to clean. Also, if you plan on disinfecting a surface, you want to make sure that you spray the whole surface, and you want to let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then after the 10 minutes is up, you can go ahead and wipe everything away. Another amazing thing that I like about Lysol Power Foam Bathroom Cleaner is that if you want to prevent mildew and mold from building up, you just go ahead and spray the surface and let it sit for about 3 minutes, and then you're going to go ahead and wipe it away. For my experience of using this product, it doesn't remove the mold if it's already there, but it sure does remove the mildew. So just keep that in mind, okay? It's a very good product, and I definitely would invest in it. This is part of my cleaning accessory that I definitely have to have, and I 100% recommend this product. Thank you for watching the video, and I appreciate your time.